This video will provide a brief introduction to BugsXLA. BugsXLA provides a simple way to undertake a Bayesian statistical analysis of data you have stored in Excel. Here we have data from a clinical study of a medicine for treating a disease of the lungs. FEV1 is a measure of lung function which is measured before, which is at the baseline, and at the end of the study. The change from baseline, abbreviated by CFB, is the response variable that is to be analysed by a Bayesian analysis of covariance model. BugsXLA must be loaded as an add-in to Excel. I show how to do this in another video. In Excel 2016, there is an add-in tab which will show the icons that launch the applications that come with BugsXLA. This add-in tab is here. Before launching the main analysis application, I select any one of the cells containing data by clicking here. Then click on the bug icon, which is here with the B in the middle, which launches the model specification form. I won't be explaining all the functionality of BugsXLA in this video, just enough to get you started with this simple case study. The data can be referenced by clicking on the Auto Data button here. By default, BugsXLA assumes all variables are numeric, so any categorical factors have to be defined. The variable TRT, short for treatment, contains the labels for the 5 treatments study. Click on the Set Variable Types button in order to define this as a factor. We select the treatment variable and use this button to move it to the factors area. We select the treatment again and click on Edit Factor Levels. Here the program has already read in the levels that are in the data, and they're stored in the or listed in the order that it sees them in the database. It's convenient to sort these levels into alphabetical order, which we do here. We then click OK to save this and click OK again, and now we have all the variable types properly defined. By default, BugsXLA assumes we have a normal error distribution, which is correct for this model we're fitting here, so we can leave that as is. The response, as I said earlier, is the variable FEV1 underscore CFB, change from baseline. We have a fixed factor, as this is a simple analysis of a covariance model, and this is the treatment variable we just defined. And then we have a covariate, which is the measure of lung function, FEV1, recorded at the baseline. So this defines the analysis of covariance model. So we can click OK. As this is a Bayesian analysis, we have to define the priors for all the parameters in the model. BugsXLA offers a set of defaults, and we will be using them here. We then click on the Run Open Bugs button at the bottom to run the Bayesian analysis. This will open up the OpenBugs program, run the model, and then once it's finished, the results are returned, and you see this import results form where you can decide what precisely you want to import. We will just leave it at the defaults and click the import button, and then the results are imported back into Excel. I won't be explaining any more of what these results mean. That will be in a future video. So now we finish showing you how to run BugsXLA.